In this tutorial we learn how to Weldmate command using SolidWorks. Now first of all, for welding two parts required. So first of all we draw the two metalling part. So first of all select the sketch and draw the section of parts. So I select the square and now give the dimension. Give the smart dimension which is a 48. This one is a 96. This one is a 48. Now from the centers 500 and now from this point 600. Now provide the radius at corner which is a 3 mm. Now now select the whole scale, select offset and offset inside reverse direction 2.8 mm which is a 5 section standard size. Now finish the sketch. Enter and now select features, extrude this sketch upward direction 650. Now select direction 2 which is a 500. Finish the sketch. Now apply the material appearance metal, aluminum, select steel bodies. Now select sketch, select right plane and now draw the square. Give the dimension 48, 96.0. Now from this origin 96 divided by 2 in center. Now this one collinear. Now radius 3 mm. Okay, offset this one 3 mm inside. Now finish the sketch. Now features, select extrude. Finish the sketch. Edit extrude and select merge result 600. Now both the sides same, direction 2 600. Now finish the sketch. Now mirror, bodies mirror, select this Now select plane, right plane, okay. Now select mirror, select 3 body, select the front plane, okay. Now sketch here, draw the square, give the dimension, .96, and this one is 48.0. Now making center, this one is 96 divided by 2. Finish the sketch. Sorry, make a radius, finish, select offset, make inside reverse direction, finish the sketch. Now select the extrude, should up to 1000. No merge result, finish this. Now pattern this body, linear pattern, select from your body, select this body, select the direction, and now enter. Six 5 zeros. Select the direction, copy 2, now finish this. Now select the mirror, body mirror, select both body and select from plane from here, right side, mirror this one, okay. Now from your Weldmates, select the weld bits and now select welding to each body. Now select this one, this face, select here another face, select tangent, you can see here. Now you can see the welding area highlights, which is a pink color, 4 mm radius, welding radius. Now finish this one, you can see here. welding area is visible, which is the black colors. Now done the welding in each side. Weld bits, select phase 1, phase 2. Now we are select tangent propagation, so all sides edges are contact in weldings. Now finish this. You can change the welding radius value from here, 5 mm. Now this is a welding symbol, which is a triangle. Now how we can adjust the Gusset. Now select Gusset. Now supporting face, first of all select this face, this one. Now you can see Gusset are generated. Now enter the value from here. Enter 100 by 100. We support the pipe during the loading time. Now here thickness, one side symmetric from center line or inner side, this one. Now here the Gusset thickness are provided, here 5 mm. If you can make the Gusset one side or one face, then you can change. You can see here, this is the outer side, this is the middle side, now this is the inner side. You can adjust according to application of Gusset or your models. Now select this one. Now select. Now finish this. Select this or side Gusset. Now how to make a welding in Gusset? So first of all select your weld bed. Now select here this face and this one. You can see the welding area is highlights, which is a pink color. Now this one. Now make a radius 6 mm. Finish this one. Now welding Gusset is ready. Now last one is a select this face, this one and this. Now you can see here all the side weldings are highlighted, all these. So finally welding is done in all the side. Now in this select this one, this face, this face. Now from here Now welding each side. Select this face, second face, select tangent, highlighted these edges. Now same in all the edges. Select weld bit, top, change the radius 4 mm, 2 mm, 5 mm. Now our video is finished. Thank you for watching this video.